Have you ever wished you could escape into a place of pure calm? That's the feeling I wanted to capture today with this painting. I start with soft shades of blue, letting the water slowly take form, smooth, endless, and peaceful. With every brushstroke, the sky begins to reflect in the lake, as if heaven itself is leaning down to touch the earth. Then, I add gentle ripples, each one carrying whispers of silence, like nature's way of reminding us to slow down. Around the edges, I paint tall trees standing still, almost like quiet guardians of this peaceful place. But painting a lake is more than just colors on canvas. It's about creating a moment of serenity, a reminder that peace can exist even in a busy world. And as I step back and look at this lake, I realize sometimes the calm we search for outside is the calm we need to paint within ourselves.